He jumped off the wagon.
Hello everybody, welcome to season 5 of Steampunk Steve's tours of other people's rigs. Obviously, I always start the year with mine, and obviously mine is here being fixed at AAA Bus in Phoenix. I'm not going to bore you with the issues because I'm not really sure why it's happening. But this is the place where a lot of people, they do nothing but Skoolies, work on them, or they'll sell you a bus. Lots. They bring in ones that aren't up to snuff, they'll parts them out. And so this is not sponsored or anything, but if you needed a part or you were looking for a really good bus, this is the place to go. They will not sell you a bad bus, and every once in a while they even have cool ones that have 4-wheel drive or 6-wheel drive. I would get in so much trouble with that bus. I mean, I take my bus into some sketchy places. I can't imagine what I'd do if I had that. But anyway, things to look forward to this year are I will be recording at Skoolies again. A lot of the videos you see there, Skoolie UP, I recorded a few up there. I will be going to both those places again, and I'm also hoping to get to Skoolies South over in Texarkana in October. So if I get there, I can catch some buses that are only East Coast people that don't really get out west or get up north, and so you'll be seeing a lot of buses that we haven't seen before, which are always fun. We'll catch up on some that I've toured, but they've changed. Skoolies are never done, they're done-ish, and I like catching up to people that they're either caught them in the beginning of their build or mid-build, or they've just decided to change things. So, which, hey, I've changed things around on my bus a few times in the last 6 years. So anyway, just a short video. Welcome again to season 5, and hope you've been enjoying the videos, and I will keep cranking them out best I can. On my channel, those who watch the other videos, there's gonna be some changes coming on. I've hinted at it, you've probably seen them. So anyway, it's gonna be an interesting year, 2023. Gonna be fun. All right, see you on the road. Be safe. Thanks for watching.